I read financial charts just like I read The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Waddles. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So I want to go even deeper into what's the true skill of trading? What's the real skill that separates the losers from the winners? It's the ability to read a price chart. I don't know how many times I've said this or if I've really, hammered that home, but the true skill of trading is your ability to read a price chart. So in this world, truly reading always separates the poor from the rich. It's always about the ability to read and understand and gather knowledge, right? This is exactly why slaves were not allowed to read, because reading is always where the power is. It's the knowledge to get wealth. It's always in your ability to read. Okay. And so I'm just thinking back over my life. I've learned to read several things. For instance, of course, I can read English. That's my, main language. I can read a book that's written in English. But then I thought back, I used to play the saxophone. So I used to could read sheet music. I learned how to read sheet music. I understood what different notes was, how they looked. What on the saxophone, when I was supposed to play B flat, regular B, A sharp, I understood how to read music. You know what I'm saying? Notes. Don't ask me nothing now, I don't remember anything now, but when I was a teenager, I was able to read music. Then I got to thinking about when I went to college to become a programmer. The very first programming language I learned was called Python. Okay, and I can still remember to this day the teacher saying, once you learn how to program with Python, or once you learn how to program, period, once you learn one programming language. So when they say learn it, that means you can write it and read it, right? So once you can write a programming language and read the programming language, they say you will be able to go to any other language and understand what's going on. And that was so true, because I went from Python to Ruby to .NET to JavaScript, right? Once you have the foundation, once you know how to read programming language, you can read any other programming language. And that correlates so much to day trading. Okay. Once you learn how to read a price chart, you can read any price chart on any asset. For example, I began to learn how to read price action while I was in the futures market. Okay. And the teacher said, if you learn how to read a price chart, you'll be able to take this information to any market. Right. And at the time, I just had to take their word for it. But now, years later, because I learned how to read a price chart in the futures market, right, the skill that I picked up was how to read a price chart. And now I've taken that information and I'm in the binary options market. I've taken that information and I'm sharing it in the Forex for people who are part of my, swing trading Titus community. We're reading price charts. We're taking basically the same setup in the Forex market. So I'm in the Forex market. I'm in the binary options market. And so my point is this: once you learn how to read a price chart, once you get the knowledge of how the market moves, you can take that information and apply it to any market you want. So if they shut binary options down, all right, I go to the Forex. If they shut the Forex down, all right, we can go to futures. Hey, if they shut futures down, all right, we can go to options. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Once I get in the market, I'm going to read the charts just like I always have. And so that's truly the power of what I'm teaching on this channel. Is truly the power of what I teach in my course. I don't just teach you how to be a binary options trader. I'm not teaching you how to be a Forex trader. I'm not teaching you how to be, a futures trader. I'm teaching people how to read a price chart, right? I'm teaching you how to read. And when you get that skill down, you can take it anywhere. The whole financial trading market opens up for you. And all you got to do is pick a market that you want to compete in. That's it. That's it, because you will have the skill to compete. So being able to read a price chart is the true skill of trading, right? So when you learn from this channel, when you go out on a limb and pull the trigger and take my course, what you are learning, what you will learn, is a skill. Not to be a binary trader, not to be a Forex trader, not to be a Forex trader, to become a trader, period, right? I teach people how to become traders through the power and knowledge of learning how to read a price chart. All right. So that's my spiel for today. Learn how to read a price chart. Okay. And price action is what we're doing. We're basically trading pure price action. We don't need a lot of indicators, because here's the thing. If you are not reading the price action, you are guessing at best, or you're putting all your eggs hoping that this indicator works. But let me say this again. Indicators are called lagging indicators. So they lag behind prices. Prices do what they do, and then the indicator analyzes what it just did and then gives you a signal. Many times that's too late. And it's probably why you've been struggling, right? Because you're following bad common trading knowledge, because most people teach you how to trade with indicators. Most people teach you to depend on the indicators like a crutch. Most people teach you that indicators is where it's at. I knew my mom was gonna call. It's not about indicators. It's about your ability to read a price chart. Learn a skill that truly can help you, right? Don't just get stuck on, indicators. And I see memes out there all the time that when people first start, they had 20 indicators going on, and then they end up with one indicator and learning price action. That's just the way it goes. That's just the way it goes. But that doesn't have to be your story. You can skip all that nonsense and get straight to learning a skill of reading the price chart. Just keep tuning into this channel, and you'll see me do it each and every day, over and over and over again, because the market moves in the same way every day. We see the market cycle, we see the rule of two, we mark up our sweet spot, we take second entry short, second entry longs out of the sweet spot, then we get higher lows and lower highs, and we do the same thing every day, right? We do the same thing every day. We read the price action, and then we trade with big money. We keep it real simple around here. All right. So now that is the spiel for the day. I can stop now. And, but hey, of course I got a work study lesson for you. Thank you for staying this long. Always stay to the end of these videos, because the trade examples, hey, they be nice, right? So you got to see, you get to talk, then you get the work study lesson where I show you how I read the price chart, and then you get the example of how we did it live. Okay. So always stay to the end. I really appreciate you. This is a great time to hit that subscribe button if you still out here being a window watcher, and it's a great time to hit the like button if you was feeling what I just laid down for you. I greatly appreciate you guys. All right. So let's get into that work study lesson. Roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So in this work study lesson, we'll be looking at the Euro Swiss. And so you see here, we just had a beautiful trend up. Price is standing above the 21 EMA. That's the only quote unquote indicator that I really use. And we put the zigzag on just so we can see legs easier. But the 21 EMA is that's my friend. So had a beautiful trend up, and then we worked our way down. This is kind of a trend down, trend break, retest, new low, real small break though. So really from a bigger standpoint, it's this trend down. Here's the trend break. This is a legitimate trend break. And then 1, 2 legs down to a new low. Perfect market cycle, perfect rule of two, perfect price action. This push up, these, just count this as one leg, 2 legs back. That's perfect market cycle. So then once we hit our entry zone sweet spot, time to look for a price action entry. Here it is right here. From this top, you got basically a first entry, push up, push, second entry long right here. I was sitting here, I was waiting. and it came. I didn't think that did, right? I was sitting, waiting, and watching, and we got the second entry long right here. You know, notice how much bigger this candle is than the 3 before it. Nice strong candle, basically matching bottom here, close on this top. I like that. That's a second entry to kick off the run. A lot of times the second entry will be the first trade that comes, and then right after it, look for your higher low. So here's a low, this low here is higher. Very next candle broke lower, trapped everybody trying to go short, nearly closed on this top, made a beautiful strong candle up. Still ain't even out of the sweet spot yet. Still got room back to the 21 EMA. Textbook right there. And then I got another one, low, push up, higher low. This one breaks strong through out of the sweet spot, through the EMA, closes on the other side of the EMA, which is good evidence that we're about to start heading up. We still have targets of here, here, and here, and we're expecting a leg of this distance. This thing here is just the beginning. So you can go right here with confidence. Boom. And then you get another one. You get a classic. You get the wifey, the low, push up, higher low that happens above the EMA now. Beautiful signal candle, basically open, no stem, close on the top, no stem. You go right here. That boy is beautiful. Bam. There you go. There you go. 4 quick ones. Hey, 4 quick ones right there to start the second leg of this distance right here. That's perfect price action right there. The Euro Swiss delivered today. Nice, clean, easy trading. You know, that's easy trading. When you know what you're looking for, when you understand the market cycle, when you understand the rule of 2, when you understand our sweet spot trade, trading is some days it's like this. Very easy, very straightforward. What we're doing is not complicated. You just have to get the right knowledge, and you have to practice, and you have to read the price chart. When you can read a price chart in this fashion, trading becomes very easy. So, you know, if any suggestions I always give to people, do your own chart lessons, work study lessons, just like this. Mark up a chart, find every price action entry coming out of the sweet spot, and you'll get better at seeing it in real time. So that is the work study lesson for today. I really appreciate you. This is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to everybody who's been, you know, commenting. It really helps the channel. You know, help your boy out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You know, take the time to comment. I really appreciate it for those who do. All right. So, hey, this one was nice. This one was nice. Perfect price action here. Perfect price action. All right. So let's get into the trade example. You know, thank you for staying this long. You know, guys, for people who are new, we always do a trade example at the end. So always watch to the end of the videos. Okay. So let's roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here, trying to clock in and see what we can find. Oh, look at American Express today. Wow. Wow. All right, Euro Swiss, this is a beautiful trend up. Ooh, sweet spot touch right here, sweet spot touch right here. Trend is interesting. Couldn't make the new low here though. Get some small bars, that's what it is. we got a low push up, stand above the EMA, higher low. We had targets of here, here, and here. Coming, just came off the sweet spot. Definitely had 2 legs down. This is looking like a support area. I don't like the way that looked though. Last time we was in this area, drop, base, drop. Can we get the close under the EMA? No. Okay, we want to push down from up, come from here, first entry, push, 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 second entry long is what I want to see. We got a new low in place for certain here. Trend down, trend break, 1, 2 legs down to a new low. That's good. This market cycle should be over. And we're just looking for another beautiful trend like this. All right, 5 minutes, 92%. We are locked and loaded. And again, we got the new low down, 2 legs down, room back to the EMA. We're right in the sweet spot. We are looking for a push first entry. Yeah, I can even go from the top here. Push down. Look at that, still on first entry. Push, 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 push. Look for signs of a second entry long, like this. Here we come. Strong candle breaks higher than here. We have plenty of room back to the EMA. And I see a push down first entry, push, push, second entry long. Here we come, game time. Big strong candle, close on your top. Good close. We're in. Thank you guys for staying this long. If you want to learn how to read a price chart, watch this video right here. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.